Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing a hair review from this hair company called Elemo or Elemo or Elemo. I don't know, I'm probably pronouncing it incorrectly, but I'll be doing a hair review on this company. They reached out to me and asked me if I can do a review on this hair, and I was like, what? Like, who wouldn't love to get free hair? But of course I'm gonna keep it real, sent to you for free or purchase. If I don't like it, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. If I do like it, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. But let's just get straight into the video. And I will be showing you guys clips on when I first received the wig or received the whole entire packaging and what was in the box and how I installed this unit. And I'm just gonna bring up to y'all attention, I am not a professional when it comes to hair. Like, I just slap on wigs, I do my best. If I get it down, I get it down. If it looks good, it looks good. If it looks tacky, but I think I did a pretty good job. I should have made the braids a little bit smaller, but y'all know me, I like to wash my hair every week, so I don't have time to be braiding my hair, you know what I mean? I just wanna be done with it. But what came inside the box, I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips. So what came inside the box there. So I just decided to do a voiceover, and as you guys can see, what came inside the package or the box were some lashes, a pouch, a comb, some head caps, a sponge, the wig, and also some headbands. And you're going to see that throughout the rest of the clips, but I just wanted to let you guys know. But obviously you guys can see that. So I did went ahead and dyed this hair black because y'all know your girl love black. Black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Your girl love black. So I went ahead and I dyed it black. And what you see here is me just dyeing it, just trying to get it to the color that I desire, the color that I love. This unit is Body Wave. It's 16-inch. When they reached out to me and they told me like, okay, we're gonna send you some hair and we want you to do a review, it's 16-inch. I was a little skeptical because your girl don't really wear 16-inch. Your girl don't really wear 16-inch. But I was like, you know what? We're gonna do the 16-inch. We're gonna try the 16-inch. And I must say, the 16-inch is cute. It looks realistic. It looks really cute and I love it. And also what I did love about this wig, like, it was already like pre-pluck. Of course, I know I need to go back and pluck a little bit more just so it could look a little bit more realistic and like look close to my real hairline, but it was already like pre-plucked. So I was like, y'all doing good so far, y'all doing good so far. And I was able to curly wand this hair. So this hair can curl, you feel me? It can curl. Like, I curled my hair since this morning for work, and the curls last. They're lasting. So that is a plus. Pre-pluck, it can dye, and it can curl. Come on, I put all my wigs to the test. No matter what company you are, I'm putting my wigs to the test. Like, I just have to be honest with my supporters. Like, I'm not just going like, yeah, get this, this is legit, yeah, get that, like, yeah. No, that's not me. Like, if I don't like it, I don't like it, and I'm gonna put your wig to the test. And I must say, so far, so good. Guys, check it out. So far, so good. Your girl be trying, and anybody who knows me knows my motto. I ain't no pro, but I help you slide. You feel me? I ain't no pro, but I help you slide. I'll help you get through for a day or two. Other than that, it's up to you. That rhyme. Ooh, that rhyme. But the name, the description, where you can purchase this room will be down in the description box. But I must say, this hair has passed the test. And also, guys, I was given a discount code to share with you guys. How exciting. Like, so if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, or you're interested in purchasing any unit, any hair from this company, go ahead and check the description box and you will see the discount code. I must say, 1 out of 10, I must say this unit gets like a 9.8. The only thing is that, you know, I'm okay with the 16 inch. I'm not a fan of a 16 inch. I'm not a fan of a 14 inch. I'm not a fan of a 12 inch unless we cut it into a bob. But the only thing is like the 16 inch. But it looks good though. Like, it looks real. It looks like it can be mine. But other than that, I will highly recommend this company. I like it. Like, I look elegant. I look sophisticated. I look classy. Okay, let me stop because I'm doing the most. Once again, check out the description box. And to all my down-to-earth supporters, I just want to say thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. I see you. I want to say thank you. First, I want to thank my Lord above, and I also want to thank you guys because, like, I see it. I see it. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'm not going to tell you to subscribe, but I'm not going to tell you to not subscribe. But if you're interested and you like what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and yeah, go from there. But I ain't gonna force you. I'm not gonna force you. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Follow your heart. Follow your heart. But sometimes your heart could be deceiving, so follow your mind. Put everything together. Ask for wisdom. It is what it is. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I just want to say thank you again. I love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.